Interesting facts about cockroaches. After listening the knowledge, they will surely share it with others. Cockroaches are one of the most resilient and adaptable creatures on the planet, having existed for over 300 million years. These ancient insects are members of the order Blattodea with around 4,500 species found worldwide. While often viewed as pests, they play a crucial role in many ecosystems, particularly in recycling decaying organic material. Their tough exoskeletons, ability to go without food for extended periods, and rapid breeding capabilities make them incredibly hard to eliminate, especially in human environments. Cockroaches are nocturnal insects, thriving in warm, moist environments. They are scavengers, feeding on a wide variety of organic materials, from food waste to decaying matter. Despite their notorious reputation for invading homes and carrying diseases, most cockroach species prefer to live in forests and caves, far from human dwellings. However, the few species that thrive in urban settings have earned them a place as one of the most disliked insects by people worldwide. What makes cockroaches particularly fascinating is their incredible survival skills. They can live without their heads for a week, survive on minimal food and water, and even withstand high levels of radiation. These traits contribute to their reputation as nearly indestructible insects. Scientists have long studied them to understand their physiology and survival mechanisms. While cockroaches are often associated with uncleanliness and disease, they serve as important subjects for research in biology, medicine, and robotics due to their remarkable adaptability. Understanding their biology can not only aid in pest control but also offer insights into survival mechanisms that could be applied in science and technology. Honestly, no one likes cockroaches. They don't even like to see them, mostly women are afraid of them. Because these cockroaches look dirty to us. But we do not know that cockroaches hate humans. They consider humans so dirty that if a human touches a cockroach, that cockroach will meet another cockroach. The ear first cleans itself and then goes to meet other cockroaches. For us, cockroaches are not new organisms. But for cockroaches, we are new organisms because cockroaches were on this earth before dinosaurs. A cockroach's ability to survive is best if a cockroach that has its head removed can survive for 9 days without its head. The cockroach's body has many small holes through which it breathes, almost all of its body. It has 20 holes through which it breathes. Human heart has 4 chambers while cockroach heart has 13 chambers. Cockroaches have teeth that are in their stomach with the help of which they break the food. A cockroach whose urine is not in a watery state but is in semi-solid form because it contains uric acid. Cockroach land who is the fastest runner wins. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.